How to repair or fix TranslucentTB not working on Windows 11. In order to fix this issue, let's first download vivetool from GitHub. First, go to your browser, and after that, search vivetool GitHub, and open up the first link. And scrolling down under assets, you can see the vivetool. Click on the prior, and the vivetool will be downloaded. And after this, let's go to this PC. Open up Drive C and make a new folder here, naming zVIVE. And after that, go to Downloads and extract this to exactly where we have made a new file, to zVIVE. And we can select Folder and select Extract. And after extracting the files, what you got to do is open up Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. And for this command, we have put the command prompt in the description. Firstly, copy and paste the first command. And after that, copy and paste this second command here and hit enter. And after this, you should be able to fix TranslucentTB not working on Windows 11.